this, that, these, those. In today's video, we will learn the difference between this, that, these, and those. We use this, which is singular, and these, which is plural, to refer to someone or something that is near. For example, this apple, these apples. We use that, which is singular, and those, which is plural, to refer to someone or something that is far from the speaker. For example, that apple, those apples. This is singular, this apple. That is singular, that apple. These is plural, these apples. Those is plural, those apples. This, that, these, those. This is a cat, that is a cat. These are cats, those are cats. This, that, these, those. This is my classroom. That is my school building. These are my notebooks. Those are my teachers. This, that, these, those.